Everyone in my house expects a traditional Thanksgiving, but sometimes you just want to add something new. I'm keeping everyone happy and keeping Thanksgiving fresh by taking a new savory spin on sweet potato casserole. Sweet potato casserole is generally almost like a dessert, served with brown sugar and cinnamon and that marshmallow topping, super sweet. Well, today I'm taking it to a very savory, indulgent, cheesy casserole. They're gonna be like, where are the sweet potatoes? Well, they're right here. I'm using the Our Table Stoneware Baker from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's perfect for this dish. We'll start by peeling and thinly slicing 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. This time of year, they're super cheap at the grocery store. They have a naturally simple and sweet flavor, so it's real easy to do whatever you want with these to make them amazing. I'm simply using my chef knife to slice these thinly. You're looking at about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch thick. You can use a mandolin. I don't ever bring out an extra tool if I don't have to. Now our potatoes are all sliced and we're gonna make the sauce to layer in between. That starts with some heavy cream going into a saucepan. To that we'll add a 1/2 stick of butter and a couple cloves of minced garlic. Our mixture has come to a simmer. It smells incredible, and now we're gonna stir in our herbs. Our final step before we layer is to grate some good Gruyere cheese. This is gonna add some nuttiness, some butteriness, some goodness. I love to grate my cheese with the box grater on its side. Creates less mess on your cutting board, keeps it all in here. Our prep is done, ready to go. Now we're gonna layer it up in a 9x13 casserole dish. This casserole dish already lends itself to easy cleanup, but I'm gonna add some extra insurance by spraying it with some cooking spray. To begin layering, our first layer is going to be the sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna arrange these kind of shingled in rows. This is a really easy dish to prepare in case you haven't noticed. So we're gonna make it look like it's over the top and elegant. It's all about impressing our guests at this point, making them think we really went the extra mile. Our next layer is 1/2 of our shredded cheese. We're gonna spread it over in an even layer. Next, we'll pour over our delicious cream sauce. We'll do one more layer of sweet potatoes, another layer of cheese, and then it goes into a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 30-45 minutes. This is amazing. Mouth watering. As this sits and cools for a little bit, it will reabsorb some of that creamy mixture, making this super rich and creamy. So good. I'm gonna finish it off just before serving with some fresh herbs that we put inside the dish. So I'm just gonna top it with some fresh parsley and thyme. We have officially taken Thanksgiving to a whole new level with these sweet potatoes. I am going in for the perfect bite. I just love it. I can already tell you I love it. Sweet and salty and creamy. And then that crusty little browning that happened on the top. Hello. Oh my gosh. You will be the hit of the party with these potatoes, and I'm sorry, we might have taken the spotlight away from the turkey. These sweet potatoes are a definite must try, and I want to see them on your Thanksgiving menu this year. Comment below and let me know what your friends and family think. When it comes to the most impressive sweet potato dish ever, you can cook that. Now that's a cheese pull.